that bus ride sucked gigantic.
I am made to be free.
So we made it to Arequipa on an overnight bus, which was terrible. We were at the very back by the toilets and there was no leg room or anything, so barely slept, but we got here at 5:30, so we slept in like the lounge for a couple more hours. And yeah, so we're gonna go explore this town today, but we have an early morning tomorrow, so we'll have an early night tonight too. So we're heading down to our meetup spot for a free walking tour. Thought it'd be a good way to see the city in one day. So yeah, that's where we're headed. Here is the main square with Misty Mountain in behind there.
Follow the snake upwards, then you see feathers like a bird flying. And look at my hand. Imagine this were the eye and the mouth of a puma or a jaguar, but it's like this, expelling plants from the mouth. There are more of them, stuff and other elements and products that you have no idea how important they were for America.
Okay, so we just finished the free tour. That was actually awesome. It took us through all of like down, or sort of like around the main square of Arequipa. Wicked tour, highly recommend it. It leaves from a chop chop, whatever. We'll drop the description down below, like where it is. And now we're checking out this Mundo alpaca place. There's Stacy somewhere. But yeah, highly recommend the tour. It's great. And then after this, we're gonna go find some lunch. Universal animal language. Squirrels, giraffes, alpacas.
So we got some more street churros in Arequipa. I think there's like chocolate or something in the middle.
They're three soles.
3 soles each.
$1.
They're really good too, like always. But I still struggle to actually like fork something.
Okay, so this is where we ate. It's the menu. You know, you got your starters and then seconds. They didn't have a lot of stuff. We all got this chicken one here. 6 soles, so pretty good. Like $2, pretty cheap. And the main square is like a block down that way. So just off, 2 blocks off the main square. So we got some chicho morada here. Cece got one too. 1 sole for a glass. Okay, so we just went to a museum this one, to see like an Inca sacrifice that was
Preserved in ice.
Preserved in ice. Colca is what their name is here. I'll show you this picture. We couldn't actually bring a camera inside, or cell phones, electronics, or bags, anything. I think it has to do with
the lighting and stuff.
Lighting, and there's a lot of like gold and silver artifacts in there and stuff. Everything is like super old, like hundreds of years or whatever. And they probably just want people filming, because then people wouldn't come if you could just see it on the internet all the time, right?
Yeah.
But this is what she looked like. It's kind of spooky, really neat though, really cool.
Like her skin was all preserved really well, and all of the fat and muscle was even preserved still. That was really cool. So.
Yeah, and that was it was regular 20 sols, but because we both had student IDs, It was 10, but then you like pay your guide afterwards, and they're great. So
Yeah, they explained like everything. It was awesome.
and now we're gonna go to the cathedral. It wasn't open earlier. It's like 5 to 7. It's free. We could have done a tour, but we're like, no. And then back to the hostel.
So we're up early.
Like 3 a.m. early.
Yeah, to go to the Colca Canyon, just on like a day tour or whatever.
Although they haven't come yet.
Yeah, I'm just waving my eyes just to show you how early it is. I don't know why I'm doing this on camera.
You're such a baby. Coca leaves
Coca leaves.
for our tea.
Much to Stacy's pleasure, there's somewhere where you can hold llamas and take pictures with llamas and stuff. So Stacy's gonna do that. Is it soft, Stacy?
Heading over to some hot springs that are here in the mountains. It's really pretty. Bridge is a little rickety. And people swimming in the river too. Our trip to Colca Canyon. We saw lots of condors, which was awesome. Some of it was a bit of a tourist trap, like not really about the canyon itself, but I had fun. It was good. We're really tired though, so we're just gonna call it a night and then head out to Puno tomorrow.